Have you ever lost a fry down that crevice of the seat? And you basically have said, well, now belongs to the truck. Well, if you have, no more, because you get two of these seat filler gaps. So the phone, the fries, the keys are not going to go there anymore. And then you don't have to pull over to dig out your phone or your keys or anything like that. This is going to protect it from that. The cool thing about this is it comes in different shapes and sizes. So you want to make sure you match yours with what vehicle that you have. And color. This matches seamlessly with the color of my interior so that it makes it look and feel like it's invisible. Now the installation is super easy. Literally the hardest part of this install is making sure that you have one for the right and one for the passenger. So you got the driver's side and you have the passenger side. You just align this up with the seat belt, make sure there's a little bit of tension on the cushion, not too much, but just a little bit of tension. And that's going to fit right in there, just like that. Just like that, it fits. And as you can see, it is now an invisible protector where your phone is no longer going to go drop your phone, lose your phone. Oh yes, it's not going down there anymore. And what's really cool about these is that the way the install is, you can actually move your seat forward and back, and the whole apparatus, the whole seat filler moves with it. Isn't that cool? So again, it's just those little things that just make you happy, right? And this is definitely one of those things.